If you've decided to delete your Spotify account permanently, follow these straightforward steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Spotify website and log in using your account credentials. Make sure you are using the correct account that you wish to delete. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. You can find this option by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner and selecting Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Go to the Account Closure page. Scroll down to find a section related to account management. Look for the option that mentions closing or deleting your account. Click on the link that directs you to the Account Closure page. Step 4. Review the information. Read through the information provided about account deletion. This may include details about what happens to your playlists, saved music, and any remaining subscriptions. Make sure you understand the implications before proceeding. Step 5. Confirm deletion. Follow the prompts to confirm that you want to delete your account. You may need to enter your password again for security purposes. Once confirmed, your account will be scheduled for deletion and you will receive a confirmation email. After completing these steps, your Spotify account will be permanently deleted. Remember that this action cannot be undone, so ensure you have saved any important data before proceeding.